Hi, I'm Ruth. Yeah, Ruth. I'm learning Ukrainian with Duolingo, and I want to take a closer look at some of the writing, some of the grammar. So let's do that now, just from the first 3 bubbles of Duolingo. Here I've bought this book and I've used it to create this. I'll put a PDF of that in the description, and I'm trying to learn how to write handwriting. So you can see there is cat, kit. You see the m, it looks like it's a t, kit, and then dim, you see there's the m, and honey is med. Look at the d, med, okay. Next one, we've got mama, we've got, oh, that little curve is from the letter above on my page. So here I've got mama, mother is like this, mati, you see the I, and then dad, tato. So there are 2 letters for D. Did, granddad, titka, of course titka, auntie. I found 3 words for and in the letters lesson. So we've got mama I titka toma, I, tse mama, tse kto, so this is mum, and who's this? And we've got a for and then mama, ta tato tam. Okay, see how you write ta? Mama, ta tato tam. Mum and dad are there. Okay, 3 words for and. I thought that was interesting. Next, we're on to letters 2. We've got sad, sin, look at the I, sin, seek, juice, seek, donka, something like that is daughter, donka, jadko. Look at the letter ya, that's beautiful, I think. Jadko. Chai is tea. Chai. Chai is tea, so we've got, that's a beautiful letter, ch, a, y, chai. So this is whose things are. We'll start with my, and I found that there were different words for my. So we've got tse, mi, chai. Tse, mi, chai. And I'm thinking that chai is a masculine word, and that's why we've got this word me. When we've got a feminine word, and I'm not sure, so that's why I put a question mark. When we've got a feminine word, we've got moya. Moja donka studentka. So my daughter is a student. Moja donka, really. Student, that's a t, ka, studentka. Okay, so moja. So we've got me and moja. I've found tse mi chai. So we've got me. Moja donka studentka. Moja. We've got ja lubię. And I think this has come from letters 3. Ja lubię moje miasto, which is I love or I like my city. So we've got moja. And I'm thinking maybe miasto is neutral, because then we've got me, moja, and moje. And I'm thinking maybe we've got masculine, feminine, and neutral, maybe. I haven't looked up the grammar, but I'm making notes and observing and questioning and wondering and being curious, and that's what you need to learn a language. And then this one, moi sestry, my sisters. Whose is it? We know it's mine. We've got czyje tse jim. So look at czyje tse, lovely letter, tse jim, that's a m. Czyje tse sad, garden. So this one, whose is this house? Whose is this garden, right? Czyje tse sad. I've forgotten the accent on that letter. Doesn't matter too much. You forgive me. This one, feminine, czyja. Czyja tse titka. Whose is this auntie? Chia tse donka. Whose is this daughter? So I've got them written here. Look, there's the ya. Chia tse chitka. Whose is this auntie? Chia tse dong. Really? Donka. Okay. So we're getting different words for whose. We've got chia tse jim. Chia tse chitka. Chiyi tse bachki. This one I haven't found in Duolingo. I looked for it because I thought if I've got a neutral one for misto or a different one for misto, because I'm guessing for my, then I probably have a different one for whose as well. Chie tse misto. Okay, so I knew to look. Next, all the pronouns. I found all these pronouns. Ya is I. De ya, where am I? Ti, you. Look at that capital T, isn't it beautiful? Ti. Ti, de. So I'm thinking, all right, these are two examples I've been given on Duolingo. Looks like word order is fairly flexible. Ti, de, where are you? Me. So that's we. Kto, me. Sentence from Duolingo. Who are we? Kto, that's how you write it. Kto, me. More pronouns. She. Vona. De Vona. Where is she? De Vona. Vin. He. Vin. Kto vin. Who is he? Kto vin. Look at kto. Kto vin. I think that's how you say it. Vonnie. They. Vonnie. De Vonnie. Where are they? And look. Vonnie tut. They are here. This is tut. T-ut. Vonnie tut. They are here. Okay, so we've got quite a few pronouns. Have we got any more? Oh yeah, we got another word for you. We had ti and we've also got vi. So kto vi, who are you? Right, so those are my collection of pronouns. You can see them all here. We've got a few verbs. We've got vi, yishte, med, which is do you eat honey? Ja ne yim miaso, I don't eat meat. Ja yim chlib, I eat bread. So we've got yishte, yiste, you eat, and yim, I eat. So here are some verbs that I found in letters 3. Vi lubite miaso. Do you like meat? Vi lubite miaso. Ja lublю chlib. Ja lublю chlib. This is a you. I like bread. Ja ne piju mloko. Ja ne piju moloko. Moloko. I do not drink milk. Okay, so we've got drink, we've got like. Ja ne jim med. Vi ne lubite med. You don't like honey. Another one here. Ja duže hoću jiste. Jiste. So, ja duže hoću, I really want, jiste, to eat. So now we've got to eat. We also had yim, didn't we? Ja duže lublю. So that's I really like. So it's still I like. Lublю. Moje misto. Misto. I really like my city. Ja ne hoću jiste tut. Ja ne hoću jiste tut. Okay, I don't want to eat here. So, for to eat, we've got jiste. I want to eat. Ja duže hoću jiste. So that's to eat. Ja ne hoću jiste tut. I don't want to eat here. So that's to eat. Їсти. I eat. Їм. Їм. Great word for I eat. Їм. Я їм хліб. Я не їм м'ясо. I don't eat meat. I eat bread, I don't eat meat. You eat. Ви їсте мед. Do you eat honey? And then I thought, well, let's get them in a collection. I've got my pronouns here. Я, I, ти, you, ви, you, він, he. So my writing isn't great there. That should be a vin, right? Vonna, she, me, we, Vonnie, they, and kto is who. And I think who will probably be the same as vin and vonna. So we've got їсти is to eat. Їм, I eat. Vi їсте. So їсте, їсти. And їst. That's the softening sound. Я люблю. Ви любите. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to fill these verb tables that I've started up with examples from Duolingo as I progress. We've got piju, which is I drink. Pijesz, you, ty pijesz, and wy pije. You drink, right? If you would like more of my grammar observations and collections, then будь ласка, click like on this video just to let me know. And if you want to copy the way that I'm learning using Duolingo, then watch this short video next.